Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your environment and taking the first actionable steps. Create a virtualenv, install Flask, and ensure the Sqlite 3 module is available. This gives you a single-file database with zero external server overhead. Next, scaffold app, PI and a minimal config, database path, debug flag. Then create the initial schema using Sqlite 3 or a Python script. This establishes tables and types so your Flask routes can read and write predictably. Once done, test a simple select to confirm the DB file exists and is accessible. Now you integrate Sqlite into Flask using a getDB function that opens Sqlite 3. Connect and attaches it to Flask's GObject. This ensures one connection per request. Make sure to set row factory to Sqlite 3. Row so you can access columns by name. Use teardown app context to close the connection automatically. This prevents leaked file handles. When executing statements, use parameterized queries with placeholders so you avoid injection and type surprises. Once queries work, wire CRUD routes that call getDB and commit changes responsibly. Finish by adding a light migration process or a version schema script so future changes are controlled. Run it during deploy or startup. For development, use app. Run with debug, but in production serve via Unicorn or OSCI and ensure your Sqlite file is on a fast file system. Make sure to handle concurrency. Sqlite allows multiple readers but serializes writers, so implement short transactions and retries. If things go wrong, check file permissions, confirm the DB path, and watch for database is locked. That usually indicates long-running transactions or improper connection handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.